Notice how the word unit is aligned in each cell. There are three vertical alignment options. They are top, center, or bottom. There are three horizontal alignment options. They are left, center, or right. We can combine these options and get the 9 alignments we now see on the screen. For instance, we can have top left, top center, and top right. To align the contents in one or several cells, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to make the word unit in row 2 centered vertically and horizontally in each cell. To do this, first I select the 3 cells in row 2. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click the tab Alignment. Fourth, from the horizontal drop-down list, I select Center. And from the vertical drop-down list, I select Center too. Finally, I click OK. As a result, the word unit is vertically and horizontally centered in each cell. You can also change the alignment of text in cells by using the Home tab alignment buttons. There are 3 buttons for horizontal alignment, so text can be aligned to the left, center, or right. Also, there are 3 buttons for vertical alignment, so text can be aligned to the top, center, or bottom. Follow the steps shown on the screen to align text in cells by using these buttons. Let's try these steps to make the word unit in row 2 centered vertically and horizontally in each cell. To do this, first I select the 3 cells in row 2. Second, I click the Home tab. Third, I click the Center vertical button, as well as the Center horizontal button. As a result, the word unit is vertically and horizontally centered in each cell.